Organizing and documenting your literature search. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we'll dive deep into the world of academic research. Specifically, we'll learn about how to organize and document the results of your literature search effectively. It's essential for any scholar to be meticulous, and we're here to guide you on this journey. When you delve into academic research, especially in the realm of literature reviews, you'll likely encounter a vast array of resources. This can be overwhelming. That's why organizing your search results is pivotal. It not only helps you keep track of what you've found, but it also ensures that you don't overlook or duplicate any findings. 1. Use digital tools. Nowadays, several software tools can help you manage references. While we won't mention specific ones, search for reference management software to find options. 2. Folders and categories. When saving electronic copies of articles or papers, create folders based on categories or themes. This way, you can quickly locate documents when you need them. 3. Annotate as you go. While reading, make notes, and highlight important sections. This will save time when revisiting the material. 4. Maintain a master list. Create a spreadsheet or a document where you list all your sources, including their main findings, methodologies, and any other relevant details. 1. Full citation. Always note the full citation of the source. This includes the author's, publication date, title, journal, volume, and pages. 2. Keywords. Jot down any significant keywords associated with each source. It helps when you're cross-referencing or looking for specific themes. 3. Summaries. Write brief summaries for each article or paper. This way, you don't have to reread everything when you're synthesizing your literature review. 4. Limitations or critiques. Note any potential limitations or critiques of the study. This is crucial when evaluating the validity and reliability of the source. There you have it. With these strategies in hand, you're now better equipped to navigate the vast ocean of academic research. Remember, the key is to be thorough and organized. We hope this guide serves you well in your literature review endeavors. Happy researching, and see you in the next video.